Hi everyone, Chris here from Cards.n.Colors, and look what I got in the mail today. The beautiful A YOGIC PATH Oracle card deck and guidebook by Sahara Rose, and the illustrations are done by Danielle Noel, which most of you tarot and oracle lovers out there will of course know from her very famous Star Child and Moonchild tarot. It comes in a sturdy, lovely box in this beautiful turquoise with lotus flowers here, and as you can see, golden stamped letters, white, the back showing some of the cards and the text about Danielle and Sahara. And so you can take this off, and then you get a, again, very sturdy white box with a mandala here, all stamped in beautiful gold foil. Delicious. The back, beautiful mandala. And it's a magnetic box. So here, as you can hear, click. And when you open it up, you get a nice text here. May these cards bridge you to your highest self. So we got a ribbon here. This is the book, Guidebook, A YOGIC PATH, in beautiful turquoise again, gilded here, mandala on the back. All the cards here. So the book has about 126 pages. And let's have a look. Okay, introduction. Did you choose this deck or did this deck choose you? Okay. The cards in A YOGIC PATH do what every good guru does. They illuminate the path. Interesting. Okay, and then it directly goes understanding the deck, asking a question, working with the cards, and then you get into the different cards with an upright and a reverse meaning and keywords. And throughout the whole book, beautiful soft vintage colors. Beautiful. And then what you also get here inside is the deck. And the deck is again in a sturdy, beautiful box with the same mandala and this gorgeous turquoise teal. Again, golden letters here. Very nice. So let me put that aside a bit. So we can have a look at the beautiful cards, and inside of the box again, a golden mandala and the ribbon. So let's close that, and then we'll have a look at the beautiful cards, the inside of the box. Lovely. Lotus flowers. Again, a ribbon inside of the box here. Wow. Very, very well done and thoughtful, and wow. Again, golden on the inside. These are the cards, the back of the cards. Again, with gold foil and a mandala and the lotus flowers. Beautifully done. And I think they are in alphabetical order, if I'm not mistaken. So here we are with Ahimsa. I hope I don't slaughter too many names. If I do so, please excuse me. I don't know all the words and all the terms, but I just wanted to show the beautiful cards. So here we have Ahimsa with the moon here and someone praying maybe. and two lions and an eye and a lot of floral plant stuff going on in the background. Bit psychedelic, a bit bohemian hippie style here. Anahata, the heart chakra, of course, in green with the mandala of Anahata. And green crystals here, beautifully collaged. I have to say, when I first saw pictures of this deck online, I thought, wow, Danielle really took it to another level. I wasn't the biggest fan of the Star Child Tarot. The idea was nice and some of the pictures are really nice, but the collage style, for my personal taste, and I don't mean that in a bad or critical way, wasn't the best. But she really made a difference with the Moonchild deck, where the collaging is much better in my personal opinion. The different parts of the collage are smoother in a way, put together. And with this deck here, she really took her style and her art to another level. It's absolutely seamlessly blended. Fantastic. So here we have the Ajna, I think it's called, the brow chakra or third eye in indigo and deep purples. Asana, interesting, with two falcons here. Gorgeous, symmetrical arrangement here, and I have to say I'm all for symmetry. I love symmetry. Atman, with a very modern, hipstery person. Bhakti, beautiful colors. It reminds me of the Moonchild Tarot. Bhuvaneshwari, not sure about that. Sorry if I slaughter any, well, sacred names. I don't mean it harmful, but we get the sea here and the moon. Brahma. Buddha. Beautiful here with the complementary colors of the cool turquoise and the warm but gentle coral and peach. Booty. Chinamasta. No idea. Something like Slay the Ego. Is this Kali here? Oh, I might get a lot of these things wrong, so please forgive me. Dharana. Beautiful with the sunset and the colors here inside of the head and the face, and wow, just great. Dharma, again a bit hippie style with all the colors going on. Dhumavati, looks like the chariot and the full moon in the background. Dhyana, great, again, very symmetrical. Durga, with a tiger here. Ganesha, in lovely pink and a lot of flowers. I like that. Hanuman, gorgeous. Just the style of the starry background of the cosmos, of the space, and then the sun and the moon here. It's almost a bit hermetic, alchemical. Kali, wow, very powerful depiction. An old goddess statue of Kali. Wow, snakes and serpents and whoa. Kapha, I think, is one of the 3 concepts in Ayurveda. I will have to read the book. Karma, of course, we all know the concept of karma. It will be interesting to see what it says in the book about karma. I'll put that aside. Maybe we will have a look at the book. Krishna. Hare Krishna. Kriya, not sure about that, with a ruby, I guess. But all in all, beautiful. Kundalini, the serpent energy and the chakras and the kundalini rising through the energy centers. Lakshmi, if I'm not mistaken, the goddess of abundance. Lalita Tripura Sundari, not sure. I read somewhere or heard somewhere that Lalita is somewhat associated with erotic love, which would fit with the colors, and interesting, with a mirror, I guess. And I think I stumbled upon Lalita in the context of Thelema and Crowley. Not sure about that, but if you think about Lilitu and Lilith, Lalita, maybe there is a connection. So here we have the Manipura, the solar plexus chakra in golden and yellow. The Muladhara, the root chakra at the base of the spine in very fiery deep red. Niyamas, no idea, but beautiful. Ojas, not sure, but nice. Parvati is beautiful, mirrored, and then the purple background, great. Pitta, again, Ayurvedic concept, I guess. Prana, the subtle life force, butterfly wings here, and a blue egg like our aura or electromagnetic field. Pranayama, I think pranayama is the idea of breath control in a way, or breath meditation, conscious breathing as a form of meditation. Pratyahara, maybe. Not sure about that. And I have to say, not my favorite image so far, but 99% as of now are just stunning. Rajas looks very fiery to me. Sahasrara or Sahasrara, not sure. The crown chakra in violet. Samadhi, some sort of enlightened state of being, the connectedness of everything. Santosha, I heard the word before, but I'm not sure what it means. Saraswati, Sattva, I heard that also. Satya, heard that one, but not sure. Shiva, yeah, great, like the card. Sita, not sure. Svadaya, not sure how to pronounce it correctly, but again, I like the symmetry here and the use of circles, of interconnected circles. We get a book here, we get eyes, butterfly wings, and this looks like the solar system. And I really love the coloration here. This dusty, vintage, dull colors. Gorgeous. Totally my cup of tea. Svadhisthana or Svadhisthana, the sacral or navel chakra. Tamas, not sure. A sleeping white tiger with butterflies in a foggy landscape. Laziness maybe? Or relaxation. Tantra. Tapas. Delicious, but I'm sure it's not the Spanish dish. Tejas is one of the tattvas, I think. And I think it's fire, though it doesn't look fiery here. Not sure about that. Vata is again one of the three principles in Ayurveda, I guess. Oh, it's getting hot. Vishuddha, the throat chakra in blue. And then, wow, yamas. Not sure about the concept or idea or the meaning of the word, but again, great coloration. I love coral and peach tones, and then here juxtaposed to this turquoise, the complementary color. Yeah, it's great. So there we have it. It's beautiful. It's really, really eye candy. Eye candy. And here we have the concept of karma. And I might quickly read the concept of karma as it is here in this book. Interesting. The book is not in alphabetical order, but there's a very nice index, I have to say, and the index is alphabetical. So contents alphabetical, so you can very quickly find what you're looking for. So now I lost it. Karma, 23. So we'll have a look at karma. This is the beautiful depiction here. The sum of one's actions is, well, the key phrase. Upright meaning positive karma. You have done a lot of good on this planet, and the universe is rewarding you in her favors. Life feels a little easier, a little more colorful, a little more beautiful. You are walking on the path toward your dharma, which creates the greatest karma one can experience. By saying yes to the purpose of your soul, you are saying yes to the greater power of the universe. Continue devoting your life to the service of spirit, and life will continue to unfold its wonders. Interesting. And the reverse meaning, negative karma. Sometimes we take a wrong turn and move away from the direction of our dharma. At first it can feel like a poke, which becomes a punch, and can eventually manifest as an accident if you continue to ignore it. This isn't the universe going against you, but rather sending messages that you are taking the wrong course and must shift gears to come back into alignment with your dharma. Take a break from social media, television, and all social obligations, and use that time to reflect. When did things begin to be difficult? What decisions did you make around that time? What alternatives could have better suited your soul purpose? State your commitment to surrendering to your highest self and doing the work it takes to get there. Things will change as soon as you do. Okay, so it's really a message, not really explaining the concept of karma in yoga or Hindu or Vedic traditions or stuff. So it's really a very practical, pragmatic book here that comes with these cards, and yeah, it's really so. Here as a last impression, the beautiful cards and the beautiful book in the lovely sturdy box I've showed before. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little walkthrough, and yeah, feel free to comment, let me know what you think, and yeah, see you soon. Bye.